Before entering the packing area, strict hygiene protocols are followed to ensure a clean, controlled environment for the final stages of production. Offline packing combines the precision of our operators with the efficiency of the auto inner packing machine, ensuring each dispenser is assembled accurately and consistently.